Most people think becoming rich requires a lot of money. But the truth is, it often starts with a very small amount. Imagine this stick man. He works every day, pays bills, and feels like there's never enough money left. He checks his wallet, almost empty. He sighs and thinks, how can anyone get rich if I barely have anything to invest? But here's the surprising truth. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't even need hundreds every week. You only need $100 a month and one powerful idea. That idea is called consistent investing. And when you combine consistency with time, something amazing begins to happen. Let's say our stickman decides to invest $100 every month. That's about the cost of a few dinners out or a couple of online subscriptions. Instead of spending that money, he puts it into an investment account. Month 1, $100. Month 2, another $100. Month 3, another $100. It doesn't feel like much. In fact, the stickman looks at a small balance and thinks, this won't make me rich. But investing isn't about quick results. It's about building a habit. Every month, the same action. Invest. Repeat. Again and again. Now something interesting starts to happen. The money he invested begins to earn returns. Maybe it grows 7%, maybe 8%, maybe more over time. But here's the magic. The returns also start earning returns. This is called compound growth. Imagine planting a small tree. At first, it grows slowly, but every year it grows bigger and produces more branches. Eventually, the growth speeds up. Our stickman watches his investment chart slowly rise. He scratches his head and thinks, wait, my money is starting to grow by itself? Yes, that's the power of compounding. Let's say the stickman keeps investing $100 every month for 30 years. That's $1,200 per year. Over 30 years, he personally invests $36,000. But because of compound growth, his investment might grow to over $120,000. That means the money he invested created more than double itself. And he didn't need a huge salary. He didn't need to be a financial genius. He only needed two things: consistency and time. The clock keeps ticking and the money keeps growing. Years later, the stickman opens his investment account again. This time, the number is much bigger. He smiles, not because he invested huge amounts of money, but because he stayed consistent. That simple $100 per month habit slowly turned into real wealth. And the best part? Anyone can do this. You don't need to start big. You just need to start. Because the sooner you begin, the longer compound growth can work for you. And that small $100 investment today might become the future you always wanted.